What's going on, YouTube? This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we're driving for financial freedom. I'm back with another Hotshot video. Today, something different as usual. So I had this problem one time before with the trailer lights, and the last time I had it, it was a short in the wire, but I got the flashes on right now, and you can see that it's barely blinking. I need to tie. Look at the flashes on. That one's flashing. That one is just sitting there. And the last time I had this issue, it was a bear. It was a short on one of these wires. See, this one's working great. And so I'm gonna start troubleshooting it. It's probably got a short somewhere. I'm gonna just start with the wires. That's what I did last time. And see if I can trace it down. Start lifting wires either on the signal lights, breaking them loose. See if I can figure out where the short is at. So once I find it, I'll let you guys know, because we got a load that got to be dropped off in Atlanta on Monday by 10 o'clock. And you know how we feel about riding dirty, so we got to get this right. We don't want to have to deal with the DOT. So once I figure it out, I'll show you guys what I found out, how I troubleshot and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube? So I traced down the problem. Actually, I hustled backwards on this one, man. I should have looked at the obvious. That's why it's real good to communicate fully when something happened to the trailer. It's good to know all the information. But so I'm troubleshooting, and I noticed that I didn't have 12 volts back here on my signal light using my voltmeter. And I went and troubleshot up under the hood. You know, under here they got all your trailer fuses that are located up under this box right here. And this box right here, over here, is you know, the quick way to find all your trailer fuses, just look for T, scroll up, find T, trailer tow, right turn signal, scroll down, find T, trailer tow, park, trailer tow. So all you just look for T's. You'll find all your fuses. I checked all those were good, had voltage there, and just something just told me, man, that makes sense. I was like, well, dang, I got voltage hit there, and my plug looks good, and it's always good to look up, man. And boom. So there was a cover on here that was ripped off somehow. So somehow or another, this got jammed up, somehow ripped out this wire. So I'm gonna put this wire in and keep my fingers crossed and hope for the best. Stand by. All right, fellas, that's it. We got lights working. A little simple fix. So it wasn't as bad as I thought. Last time I had an issue like that, and it was a wire. I may be able to show it to you. Let me peek up under here and see. Nah, I can't. Well, it's over here, right there. You see that? The last time I had a problem where that sucker was blinking low, what had happened, it had rubbed, the wires had rubbed on that metal piece. See, that's one right there. Terrible design. Should have a grommet in it, but it rubbed that trailer signal wire until it got raw. So I put that cap over it to keep it from rubbing raw. So I thought that might have was the problem, but hey, man, sometimes you get lucky. So trailer lights are working. This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC. Driving for financial freedom, baby. With these trucks, it's always something. So take heed, take note. I'll see you guys next time. Hey man, look, don't forget to like the channel. It helps with the algorithm, with the algorithms. Give me a thumbs up if the content is good. And I'll probably start posting a little bit more. And for all you guys who were wanting that spreadsheet with those tech tips for the pre-trip inspection on the CDL, just hold on. I'm going to have something for you next week. I had the entire PDF revised, had it professionally edited, and we're going to put it out there for you guys to get. So just stand by. It's coming soon. Anyway, guys, like the channel. I'm out.